What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Dan Drives YouTube channel for another episode of Rebuilding Little Red, my now red 1985 C4 Project Corvette. If you guys didn't see the previous video where I finally painted this car red, and she does look absolutely gorgeous in this color, please go check that out and give it a like, subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out. But based on the title and thumbnail of this video, you guys know that we're going to be slapping stripes on Little Red now in a gloss white vinyl. I got a buddy who's on his way right now actually to size it up, get some measurements, and if he's cool with recording, I'll go ahead and record some cool footage of him laying down the vinyl. And after that, in this video also, we will go ahead and clear coat Little Red. But once we clear coat, we'll actually be able to run our hand right across where the stripes are going to be. We're going to have two white racing stripes going over the top of the car. And we won't even feel a bump or anything because the clear coat will cover absolutely everything to an even level. So it'll look very, very, very good. And like I said, guys, this is also a garage paint job. Like, we got leaves on the floor and stuff, and you know, you can only get this environment so clean and perfect while doing this. So it's not going to be perfect. It's going to look really, really good. It'll be camera picture perfect for sure, so you guys won't notice anything. Up close, you'll notice some little imperfections, and I'll probably make a video on that once we get it all done to show little imperfections, just so that if you guys are looking to paint a car yourself, something that you guys can look out on, something I might have skipped over, you know, or something that the environment didn't allow me to get absolutely perfect. So we'll go through that stuff in future videos. But anyway, once my buddy gets here, we'll lay down the stripes and get the clear coating, and then after that, guys, really we can start piecing Little Red back together. We'll put the bumper, we'll put the roof here, put the roof panel back on the car, the back bumper there. We got the wing over there that we can slap onto the car too. It'll look pretty good. So super excited for this, and once that's done, guys, we'll take her for a drive. So we're closing in on this project. So definitely leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out, and it helps me out so much. We'll be looking to get a pretty sick wheel and tire setup on Little Red here, which I can show you guys out here right now. These are the stock 1985 C4 Vette rims. If I just get these out of the way here, nothing real fancy. I'm definitely going to still keep these if I ever did want to go back to somewhat original, but I don't know, I'm all about customizing and decking out cars. So we're gonna definitely get a different, probably a chrome wheel and tire setup. I think that would look really sick with the right white stripes going over top. Just drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think on it. But anyway, I'll shut up and let's get right into the video.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The gals wind up on the dance floor. All the gals wind up on the dance floor. All the gals wind up on the dance floor. We go hard till the sun come up. Ganja smoking, we got rum in me cup. Bad gals wind up on the dance floor. All the gals.
Well, guys, check that out. Little Red finally has stripes on her, and this is honestly even better than what I envisioned for this car. I'm super, super happy with how that came out. And huge shout out to my buddy Dylan Garlock. I'll put his Instagram out on the screen. With the business that he runs with his father, with doing vinyl wraps. They do full cars, they do everything, guys. They do a bunch of police cars actually around here too. So they do an amazing job. And if you guys need any stripes, if you need decals, if you need anything, they can print stuff too. Go hit them up. Like I said, Instagram right here on the screen or down in the description. You can go check that out too. But yeah, guys, this car looks amazing. Now, we did decide to go with the little pinstripe down on the side of both of the stripes, which I think was an amazing idea. And everything's really, really straight. Now, the back bumper is not fully on the car yet, as you can see, because I'm going to take this stuff off to clear coat it, which we will be doing next. But the stripes are just looking amazing on this car. I absolutely love it. And we actually did it in a semi-gloss finish. If you can see here, it's pretty close to how the paint is gloss-wise. And the reason that we went with that is because we will be clear coating this car, which I'll be doing tomorrow. I just ordered some more reducer and more hardener that I got to go pick up in the morning. Once I spray the clear coat on, everything should pop even more than this and just give it a real nice glossy textured look, which I am so excited for. And then also we had a little bit of white enamel paint, and I went down and with paintbrush was as fine as I possibly could be down there to color in the Corvette logo, which we did decide not to bring the stripes all the way down because it would chop off the T and the E, and then also the C and probably part of the O. So we figured just doing this and stopping it right there where that black rubber trim piece will be, and then just coloring a little Corvette lettering down below in gloss white to match the rest. We thought that that would look pretty good, and it did turn out pretty good too. So I'll cut this here and we'll cut it to tomorrow when I pick up the hardener and the reducer for the clear coat, and we'll get to spraying that, and Little Red will finally be done.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I'm on the back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I'm on the back when you're around. I won't think twice when I don't know why. She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never want to watch the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate, hold me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate, hold me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Well guys, we finally got the clear coat sprayed on Little Red here, and holy shit, does this look amazing, dude. It looks like glass, honestly. I mean, this car is, I mean, it still does need some buffing, don't get me wrong, guys, and we are going to be doing that in the very next video. I will be buffing Little Red here to get, because I mean, obviously we are in a garage. Like I've mentioned before, look how shiny everything is though. Like, this thing driving down the road is going to look so gorgeous, dude. It is gonna pull so much attention, it is insane. And the stripes on this car look amazing. Just everything blended in so good on this car. I can't even put it into words how happy I am with this. And especially with the sick wheel and tire setup that we're gonna get for Little Red. And I'll probably go in and paint the calipers too when we go and get that done. I love this. This is so sick. This is what I wanted for this car, and this is what I envisioned for this car. And it just turned out so nice. I'm so happy with it. And honestly, driving around, you're probably not going to see one in this color. You're not going to see one with these stripes. You're not going to see one with the Corvette lettering colored in down here. And it's just going to be super custom, and that's what I love about it, and that's what I want to do with cars here. And on this channel, I just want to customize stuff and give you guys things that you guys have never seen before, like Ticket the Mustang, for instance, which my grandpa pretty much came up with that whole idea. And then my buddy Dylan, like I mentioned before, who did the stripes for me on this car, he also did the vinyl wrap on Ticket the Mustang. And he also did the windshield banner up top that says Ticket going across. And he's gonna get a hold of me, and he's gonna let me know what he can do for a cross on Little Red here. Maybe say Little Red, maybe say Dan Drives in white. I'd like to go white because it would match the stripes very nicely, and should go right along with the color scheme of this car. But dude, I just, looking at it, like, look at all the metal flake in this car. It is so gorgeous, and the clear coat just brought it out so nice. But like, that is amazing, dude. There are dirt specks on the roof panel here that you can barely see, maybe a little bit right there, but that'll be cleaned up. And then on the hood, there are dirt specks going across. Just little stuff that the environment in this garage obviously did not allow me to get 100% perfect, but we will be taking care of that in the very next video, as well as putting the tires on, putting the car back together, and getting her out on the road for the very first drive with a new paint job. So then we can film some rollers, and we can get some cool footage of Little Red in the new paint job, actually ripping it down the road. So anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy, please smash the like button. It helps me out a lot, and it supports the channel greatly. We're on the move, and I love to see it. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It is appreciated so much. You guys have no idea. And this is only the beginning of this car. This is only step one to get the paint job done. So once we get it together, we're gonna have a whole lot more content coming. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end. Like I mentioned, I'm Dan. This is Little Red, and thank you guys so much for watching Dan Drives YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search for you, stay lost.